Today, I share a recipe that's been a source of warmth and comfort, especially on this particular day. We were hit by Typhoon Mawar in Guam. And while a typhoon isn't your typical backdrop for a cozy tea session, sometimes life serves you lemons, or in this case, 185 miles per hour winds with torrential downpour, and you just have to brew a comforting drink to make the best of it. The incredibly soothing, warm, fragrant spices and creamy milk of chai felt like the perfect way to distract ourselves from the raging winds outside and lack of power. So stay with me as I take you through the steps of how I make chai. It's incredibly humbling to experience the power of nature. And while our chai making session during the typhoon brought us a touch of normalcy when we needed it the most, it's heartbreaking to think about the aftermath. Our house flooded and our trees uprooted, but judging by the rest of the island, we're still thankful to have a roof over our heads. After 2 weeks without running water and 4 weeks without power, I'd say it awakened me and many other people on my island that the more we have, the more we worry. And once we need less, we will have more. Guam is still recovering and rebuilding, but despite these challenges, everyone here is working hard at restoring our little paradise. Here's to brighter days in Guam.